female gestures that drive men crazy in the best way. A woman is one of the most incredible gifts a man can have. Even though she may sometimes get on his nerves, he still loves and cares for her deeply. But let's be honest, she's not the only one who can be a little annoying. Men have their moments too. Beyond all that, there are simple things women do that men absolutely love, though many women don't even realize it. These gestures may seem small, but they can have a big impact on a man's heart. Let's dive into 6 subtle yet powerful things women do that men find irresistible. 1. Resting her head on his chest. Men love it when their partner lays her head on their chest. It gives them a sense of purpose, like they're protecting her and making her feel safe. That simple moment can make him feel like he's on top of the world. 2. Playing with his hair. It's not just the physical touch. When a woman gently runs her fingers through a man's hair, he feels loved and cared for. It's a soft, affectionate gesture that creates a deep emotional connection. 3. Praising him on social media. While not all men are huge fans of public attention, most still appreciate being acknowledged by their partner online. A simple compliment or post showing appreciation can make him feel seen, valued, and proud for really listening to him. One of the most attractive things to a man is when his woman genuinely listens and shows interest in what he says. Communication is key in any relationship, and when a woman listens with curiosity and care, it makes him feel important. 5. Calling or texting when he's out with friends. Even a quick message like, "How are you, love?" or "Miss you" means a lot. It reminds him that he's still on your mind, even when you're not together, and that kind of thoughtful gesture goes a long way. 6. Showing small acts of affection. Noticing a crumb in his beard and helping him remove it, fixing his tie, or adjusting his collar. Those little moments matter. They show that you care, that you notice him, and that you want him to look and feel his best. Sometimes, it's the tiniest gestures that leave the biggest impression.